cheese.
Why are you sitting in the rain?
Oh, just protecting our prized pizzas.
Pizzas in the rain? Turn the heat up.
Yeah. Alright.
Oh, those look beautiful. They're not done. Look at those suckers. Oh my goodness.
And they're hot. Ta-da!
I am on the cooking.
I don't even remember. Which one is mine? That one.
This one's yours, yeah.
Okay. Not that it matters. Hi, babe.
Hurricane Pizza, Zeb.
What's up?
Aren't you excited?
We just made yours.
How's pizza?
It's delicious. Yummy.